Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to switch between navigation gestures and buttons on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display. After click on display, scroll down and click on navigation bar. After click on navigation bar, if you want to switch between navigation bar and buttons, click on swipe gestures and you will see swipe right and left and swipe up, you will see go back. So click on app and you will see go back from here. So if you want to set button, click on settings app, scroll down and click on display. Scroll down and click on navigation bar, click on buttons, you will see go back from here. Refresh phone. So that's how you can switch between navigation gestures and buttons on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.